In our last video, we gave you an inside look of our production facility. This time, we're going to show you how far we've come.
So what we're standing by is our newest build for production. It's our HIAB 082 model. It's one of our first of 2 to 3 different styles we're gonna be building. It's our flatbed F600 chassis with our HIAB aerial attached to it. It's a multi-use, very full truck that the industry is in need for, and we're shooting to get that out there.
I started up on the floor on what was called the light line. Since the last video, swapped some of the supervisors around, kind of swapped some of the techs around, better fit for the lines, and we're making our own bodies now. That's something new we've been doing, and just the scope of our builds in general has increased and changed.
Before we started building these, we put together a group of technicians, lead supervisors, engineers to go to Ohio for a week of training before we started our production of these. And we did training classes with HIAB themselves. They would reach out and be like, hey, how is this working out for you? I know this is new. Some of it's new for us. We're gonna learn together. So having a company that knows that it's not only new for them, but for us, we kind of learn as we go within a whole. So it kind of makes you feel like a team at the end of the day, that we're not gonna come across something and they're just gonna leave us stranding. They were more than helpful to reach out.
The process of building our first flatbed, it started in the engineering department, and they build it on a computer. They bring it out, and then we get the raw materials, start cutting and bending and fabbing up the parts for that, and then we put it together.
I worked with the engineers up in Perrysburg because they'd already done some of these. They gave me a good starting point and used the information they gave me, did my own design, and actually came up with our own flatbed body and subframe combo.
With growing, the more in-house we can do, not only the quicker a product may be built, but we can control the quality. Everybody has moved up, progressed out, and advanced forward.
My goal is to get this fab department into that top tier to compete with the best of the best and added people. The way that these bodies have turned out have been great. The craftsmanship put into them, the time and effort these guys put in is great.
I help the quoting department. I help them through all their quoting. Once we win the deal, I do all the design for the actual build. It gets in the shop. I go through all the troubleshooting and issues in the shop with the guys building the truck. And then once it leaves here, I get the calls from the service department, and I get to tell them how to fix it.
You know, going on almost 3 years here, I tell guys, my success is based off of your success. So if I can't help you succeed, I'm not gonna succeed. That's how I look at it.
Every day is something different. Every day is presented with new challenges. Every build is unique.
We like to stay positive and try to challenge ourselves. You know, try to make it a little bit of a competition. Who can do it better, who can do it faster. What keeps me motivated when the work gets hard here at Ring Power is just look at it in the face and go right at it.
What motivates me is, all them guys out there in the shop are working really hard, and everything they're doing is based on stuff I designed.
My future in Ring Power, I'm hoping, is limitless.